Good morning, everyone. So today we will be going to start our assignment the chapter that is the life in temperate region. Life in temperate regions में मैंने basically जो है questions डाले हैं 2 question for 5 marks, 2 question for 3 marks, and rest 3 question for 1 mark. Is it okay to everyone? So these
Yes.
you have to complete in your notebook side by side, and you have to learn also. Okay, so we will be going to complete this. What are the major occupation? Can write down in your notebook. What are the major occupation of the people in the prairies? And what factor contributed to the industrialization in this region? कौन से फैक्टर्स रहे जिसके कारण प्रेरीज में इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन जो है वो पॉसिबल हो सका? So first answer I would like to explain, that is the people living in the prairies were hardworking. The people living in the prairies were hardworking. I have chosen or taken this answer from your book itself. I have not taken from anywhere else. So you can directly see the answer from the book, but you have to write it in the points. Chapter number 9, life in the temperate grassland. From that, first question, how the people, what are the major occupation of the people in the prairies, and what factors contributed to industrialization in this region? कौन से factors यहाँ पर industrialization के कारण possible हुए? So the people living here were hardworking. Their main occupation was cultivation and dairy farming. Dairy farming means rearing of animals, cattle for getting the milk and milk product. People use scientific method in cultivation. Third point, people use scientific method in cultivation, and they use tractors, harvester and combiner to produce the surplus food. They use tractor, harvester and combiner to produce the surplus food. Next point आता है, another main occupation of the people living in the prairie is dairy farming, that we have already done. Dairy farming and extensive agriculture. Extensive का मतलब होता है prairies के grassland को clear कर करके वहां पर wheat production, ठीक है, crop production किया गया, जिस कारण prairies जो है वो पूरे world में granaries of the world के नाम से जाना जाता है, ठीक है. So thousands of hectares of prairies area was being cleared. That is why extensive agriculture that both promote, यानी कि dairy farming and extensive agriculture, they promote setting up of food industries. Next point आता है, why industrialization was promoted here? Because of large mineral deposits such as iron and coal was also available. आयरन एंड कोल भी यहाँ पर अवेलेबल था, इस कारण यहाँ पर इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन हुआ. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट आता है, अ लार्ज नेटवर्क ऑफ रेलवे, रोडवेज एंड कैनल, दैट इज आल्सो देयर. ड्यू टू दिस रीजन इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन वाज बीइंग established by the people over here in the prairies area. Is it okay to everyone? If any doubt, please ask. अगर कोई बच्चे को डाउट है तो बच्चे आप you can ask. So second question, that is, what various activities are performed by the people living in the world? Just note down in your notebook what factors contributed to the contributed or the activities performed by the people living in the world. वर्ल्ड में कौन कौन सी एक्टिविटीज परफॉर्म होती थी? We know world was not much fertile, as we aware that prairies were much fertile. Prairies ज्यादा fertile थी, that is why wheat or granaries of the world it is known as, but world इतना fertile नहीं था. So वेल्ड में क्या क्या था? वेल्ड में sheep rearing, merino sheep was there, good warm quality of wool was available, which was great in demand in the other countries also. So merino sheep was there, cattle rearing was there, ठीक है? And wherever the fertile land where crop was being produced, and crop were कौन सी crop थी? wheat, barley, maize, oats, potatoes, and cash crops थी. कौन सी cash crops थी there? That was tobacco, sugarcane, and cotton. Is it okay to everyone? So second question का answer है cattle rearing, sheep rearing and mining are the major activities of the people living in the world. Some people engage in agriculture also. They grow crops like maize, wheat, barley, oats, and potato, and cash crops like tobacco, sugarcane, and cotton. So chief occupation of the people in this region are sometime, that is after the farming, that is dairy farming. So very rich minerals are also available, that is gold and diamond minings are also there. Like Johannesburg is known for being a gold capital of the world, and Kimberley is famous for the diamond mines. All these lines are given in your book itself. You have to write only in the form of points. And I have already shared this assignment with you in the form of points. And you have to note down it in your fair notebook. Is it okay? Second question is clear to everyone? So third question, that is from your book.
Yes.
Back exercise. Give reason. Just look at your book from the back exercise. Third question is give reason. Prairies are known as granaries of the world. So this is from your back exercise which I have taken as in the form of assignment. So prairies have been cleared. पहले तो क्या किया गया? Prairies को clear किया गया. Prairies को clear किया गया. And then another important thing, extensive agriculture was being done, and wheat was grown here in the extensive with 1,000 acre of the area in the prairies land. पहले prairies क्योंकि यहाँ पर fertile land है उसको क्लियर किया गया, उसके ऊपर एक्सटेंसिवली होता है बहुत बड़े बड़े खेतों में 2,000 एकड़ लैंड तक wheat प्रोड्यूस किया गया. They use tractors, harvesters, etc. and modern technology have made wheat production surplus. Wheat production को इस area में surplus किस कारण से हुआ? Because of the technology, because of the scientific tools. Then they satisfy. Prairies supply wheat all over the world. Prairies ने wheat को supply किया पूरे world में, and they satisfy hunger of million of the people spread all over the world. They spread or they satisfy hunger of million of people all over the world. That is why prairies are known as granaries of the world. Is it okay to everyone? Then fourth question, reason क्या है? Fourth question, give reason. Most important rise in the wool industry in the world. Give reason the rise of wool industry in the world, as sheep rearing was the important task in the world and merino breed was grown there. Merino breed किया जाता था because of the good quality of wool over there. That is why. अब इसका आंसर जो है that I have also given in the point. Sheep rearing is the most important occupation of the people living in the world. Sheep is breed mainly for wool. Merino sheep is popular species and merino wool was very warm, which was great in demand. That is why wool industries were developed in the world region. Is it okay? कोई doubt इसमें? After this, I have taken 3 questions for 1 mark. Which is the most important animal of the prairies region? That is bison. American buffalo. Bison, American buffalo. Name some tribes of prairies. Tribes of prairies, it is also being given in the box, in the prairie side, blue box, left hand side पर दिया हुआ है. The Apache, the Crow, the Cree, and the Pawnee. These are the tribes which were there in the prairies. मिल गया सबको? Is it there in the book also? The Apache, the Crow, the Cree, and the Pawnee. Next question जो है, that is, which city is known as gold capital of the world? That is Johannesburg.
Johannesburg.
That is true. The city which is known as gold capital of the world is Johannesburg, and the city where the diamond mines were being found, that is Kimberley. That is Kimberley. Is it okay? So I hope this full assignment will be clear to you. Any doubt to anyone, please ask. Otherwise, this assignment you have to note down in your notebook.
No.
Okay.